All right, everyone, it's time to address the prominent issue: college degrees. Specifically, I want to highlight how Google professional certificates are rendering many of them irrelevant. That's correct. The degree that you tirelessly strive for, that emblem of education you proudly display on your wall, while it's great and fantastic, it might not be so wonderful if you find yourself drowning in student loan debt and struggling to secure a job in your chosen field. But fear not, I've got a solution for you. Enter Google Certificates, one of my preferred, more cost-effective, and accessible alternatives to the traditional college degree. So, kick back, grab a snack, give that like button a gentle tap, and get ready to be less than impressed by the current state of traditional college education, but quite impressed by what Google Certificates have to offer. Before we go any further into this video, welcome to Cash Money Ideas. Here we will show you the most up-to-date making money online ideas, tips, and tricks. Please subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and press the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And lastly, don't forget to leave a comment below. We would love to hear your thoughts. Now let's get back to the video. First on our list introduces the Google Digital Marketing and E-commerce Professional Certificate. Notably, there aren't numerous Google certificates available. And while this isn't my top pick, it still outshines many alternatives like enrolling in college to grasp modern marketing concepts. The landscape of marketing is dynamic, and colleges often struggle to keep up. This course focuses on modern marketing techniques where data and technology take center stage, providing a significant upgrade similar to transitioning from a flip phone to a smartphone. This beginner-level course boasts a 4.8 out of 5-star rating. Although the suggested completion time is around 6 months with 10 hours of weekly study, self-reports indicate a quicker pace. The term digital marketing encompasses various subfields such as SEO, PPC, search engine marketing, and email marketing. Entry-level positions in this field on LinkedIn yield 68,000 search results, with an average salary of $68,000 per year. It's crucial to note that this Google Professional Certificate, hosted on Coursera, is just one among several excellent and free digital marketing certificates offered by Google. Next up, we have the Google IT Automation Certificate, focusing on in-demand skills like Python, Git, and IT automation, tailored for advancing your career. While this involves some coding, it's not overly advanced, making it accessible to a broad audience. With a 4.8 out of 5 rating from over 30,000 participants, it claims a 6-month completion timeframe, but actual reports suggest a faster pace, often ranging from 2 to 3 months on average. According to Google, there are over 530,000 U.S. job postings related to Python proficiency, with 75,000 of them being entry-level positions. A variety of job options awaits those with these skills, including roles like a junior system administrator, offering an average salary of $63,000 annually. As a special offer, our sponsor, Coursera, is providing a $200 discount on their Coursera Plus annual subscription, granting access to thousands of courses and certificates, including those from Google. To seize this global offer, check the link in the description or pinned comment. Next in line is the Google Associate Android Developer Certificate. Although not technically categorized as a Google Professional Certificate, it's included due to its relevance. This program, developed in collaboration with Android, teaches Kotlin, a language prevalent in 95% of the top 1,000 Android apps. This skill set opens doors to various career paths, such as mobile application development, where LinkedIn displays 3,800 results for entry-level positions, with an associated average salary of $80,000 per year. Next on the list is the Google User Experience Design Professional Certificate. UX, or user experience, is the focus here, and it claims to make you job-ready for an entry-level position in UX design in less than 6 months. This program boasts a rating of 4.8 out of 5 stars from over 56,000 participants. While it suggests a 6-month completion timeframe, reports indicate a faster pace. This certificate is acknowledged to be more intense compared to others in the Google Professional Certificates series. UX. Design. Being a beginner-level field is a bit challenging to break into, requiring additional portfolio building and skill development. LinkedIn indicates there are 999,000 in-demand job openings in user experience design. Completing this certificate provides access to a private job board, and you can list it on LinkedIn even if you're still in the process of completion. Various job options include roles like an interaction designer, offering an average entry-level salary of $110,000 per year. Before we continue, I'll give you some time to subscribe to the channel and give it a big thumbs up. If you loved the video so far and found the content interesting and informative, please leave a comment below. We'd love to hear what you have to say. Now, let's get back to the video. Next, let's discuss the Google Project Management Professional Certificate. This beginner-level program claims a 6-month duration but can be completed faster, with a rating of 4.8 out of 5 stars from over 71,000 participants. Project management is a highly valuable skill with 479,000 in-demand job openings. A search for project manager on LinkedIn yields over 70,000 search results at the entry level, with an average salary of $84,000 annually. This certificate opens up numerous opportunities in project management and related roles, such as a Scrum Master. Testimonials are available for further insights. Now, the Google Data Analytics Professional Certificate takes the second spot on the list. Claiming to make you job ready for a data analytics role in about 6 months, this certificate boasts a 4.8 out of 5-star rating from over 98,000 ratings. It has been positively reviewed by many data analytics YouTubers. With over 380,000 in-demand job openings for data analytics, this certificate is highly recommended. Over 75% of Google Career Certificate graduates report an improvement in their career trajectory within 6 months of completion. The affordability of these certificates, at around $39 per month, makes them a remarkable value. LinkedIn produced 50,000 search results for entry-level data analyst positions, with an average salary of $71,000 per year on Glassdoor. The program provides tangible results, and considering the cost-effectiveness, it is hailed as a cheat code for entering the data analytics field. And tied for number 1 on this list is the Google IT Support Professional Certificate. This certificate is possibly the most well-known among Google certificates. So why does this one secure the top spot, tied with the Google Data Analytics Certificate? Well, it has the highest number of ratings among all of them, boasting a score of 4.8 out of 5 stars with 151,000 participant ratings. This large number of participants who have rated it extremely well speaks volumes. While it states it takes around 6 months to complete, realistically, many individuals have completed it much quicker, sometimes in a few weeks, a month and a half, or 2 months. On the listing, it mentions over 400,000 in-demand IT job openings. While this claim is somewhat agreed upon, it's advisable to focus on specific job titles, like help desk, which is relatively easier to land. Other job titles, such as database administrator or system analyst, could be more challenging. The IT Support Professional Certificate has accumulated numerous positive testimonials, making it a solid choice. Building a comprehensive portfolio to showcase your skills is crucial in the modern job market. The top 2 certificates on the list, Data Analytics and IT Support, receive high praises. Are these certificates a replacement for a college degree? No. As they serve different purposes, some careers may require a college degree while others may not, making these certificates valuable tools for specific career paths. Google created these certificates to provide alternatives to traditional education, and they excel in helping individuals discover their preferred career paths without significant financial investments. The certificates not only assist in securing jobs, but also aid in identifying one's desired career trajectory. If you loved this Make Money online video and found the content interesting and informative, please like and leave a comment below. We'd love to hear what you have to say, and press the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And don't forget to subscribe to Cash Money Ideas. See you in the next video.